Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Not going to keep you long today. Going to do a bit of a chicken Waldorf type-esque salad. So I've got some chicken there. That's one chicken breast, one large chicken breast. I boiled that in some salted water, let it cool down, then I've just cubed it like that. Walnuts, celery, apple. I'm not going to cut that yet just because it will go brown. I'll cut it as we put it in. Lemon juice, mayonnaise. And today, instead of using grapes, I'm going to be using some dried raisins or sultanas. That's what I fancy today. Really simply, I'm going to give it all a little mix. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get this lemon juice into that mayonnaise and give it a little whisk up. Just for a minute or so, get it nice and smooth. It will thin it out, of course, and give it, obviously, a nice lemony flavour. Okay, so mixing bowl, chicken's in. Just gonna get some apple in there. Now I think traditionally with a Waldorf, you should be using green apple and green grapes. Keep it all green. I think that's the actual very original recipe. We're using this apple today. Walnuts, in they go. Celery. My dried fruit, sultanas or raisins. Some people even put dates in this. Then we're going to go in with our lemoned mayo. Just going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. I'm not going to add salt. I think we've got enough salt in the mayonnaise. We're going to give that a mix, back in a moment. And there you go, super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a message, say hello, we like to hear from you. Thumbs up always help. Lots of love.